Wow, friends, the Bulls definitely had a good start to last week, and the bullish gains which we saw did give a handsome profits. And until Friday, nothing much was spoiled. However, Friday might have erased some of the gains, but nevertheless, we still ended the week in profits. And one stock which, in particular, I would like to highlight from my recommendation in our last video was UBL. If you can see the intraday charts which I have shared here, since inception, it has risen by around 140 points. And those who are watching our video would have definitely encashed this fantastic opportunity. For those who were trading UBL, the move result of 140 points could give you a potential profit of 98,000. Well, you may have your share of gains and losses, but then you in UBL, you would have definitely ensured that you are on the winning side. That's what our videos have done. We have turned out a lot of winners, and this UBL in particular was a very, very fantastic one. So that was the case of last week. And now, as we head back into the current week, I have two stocks with me right now, and based on what is the market scenario which I'm envisaging, which I shared in my previous video on the Nifty, the charts are on the negative side. The first stock which I would like to consider is the chart of Bharat Forge. And if you can see here, since October, these charts has been on a continuous grinding descent. And the fall which we saw early December now witnessed a mild and weak rally. And in the interim period, it has found a bearish flag, and the breakdown which we are seeing right now is definitely not good. Further, the momentum indicators I have used is the ADX and DMI, and the negative DI lines are now once again beginning to inch higher. So this definitely highlights the bearish mindset which is in play on the stock. Along with that, the open interest also seems to be increasing. So one could actually be looking to short this counter as the bearish momentum is definitely on the cards. One could look to short at current levels and on rise towards 515. For those who want to do it in the January series, can suitably take the trade. And the downside is an expectation in the region of around 475. So that is the target which I am envisaging for the next week. So it's a bearish trade from Bharat Forge. The other counter is the chart of HUL, one stock which has been on a continuous decline, and one stock which is showing a topping out formation. And you can see here that the steady rise which was seen ever since October, unlike the steady fall which we saw in Bharat Forge, this rise has now given is now resigning, so to say, and the resignation of the bullish candles can be seen through a formation of a negative divergence plus the bearish candlestick setups which are suggesting that the prices could now decline further, and the trend line breakdown. So all these things in combination are definitely suggesting that HUL is a sell opportunity below 1800 with a stop loss above 1840 for a decline towards 1725. So these are the levels to watch out for, and a very, very interesting setup on both HUL and Bharat Forge on the negative side. So this is what I have been doing over the last few videos, where I have shared various kinds of setups, various kinds of interesting observations, where you could gain some idea about the market condition and also participate. So I'm sure that you would have had profitable venture participating in these talks. And for those who are interested to know more about the way you do analysis, you should look out for our programs called as the Winning Trader. The Winning Trader is a 2-day weekend program where I share with you, my team and Dr. Narayan have designed a beautiful curriculum where we show you how to understand the market and how to interpret the market under various market conditions, so that you can spot winning opportunities day after day, week after week. And the entire focus of this program is to give every person the ability to read the market prices. The ones who are already familiar with the market setup, chart readings, we have a program called as real-time market mastery. This real-time market mastery, just like the words which are mentioned in the program's name, is will aim to make you a master of understanding where the price is going to head into, what is the kind of action, where are the bulls, where are the bears, which stock is going to get into the momentum phase, which stock is going to phase out, which stock is going to get into the thick of the action. All these things, all the market reading, all the way how to marry the news with the price action, how to see charts on higher time frames, how to correlate it with the lower time frames, how to find out opportunities, how to do pyramiding of your position, how to do trade management, how to do risk management. There are umpteen number of questions which we all have, but then you have to know whether you are able to answer them yourselves or would you need support. That's where professionals like Chart Advice come into the picture. We, under the guidance of Dr. Narayan, had designed and developed a beautiful 3-day live market program which I'm sure that you will benefit. So for those who want to know more about the program and get to know more about the details, do check out the link below which is there as part of the video description, and I'm sure that you will find benefit. So do subscribe our channel, do comment and do share it, all both the stock video and the Nifty video, to as many people as possible, because this kind of analysis is not available on the internet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.